My name is Bisuza. I'm from Nepal, and my school name is Brilliant International Private School. So my teacher name is Miss Ledisa, and my friends are in my school. Because of coronavirus, everything is locked down because of coronavirus. I have a crash of that without my mom and dad helping me, because I wanted to make everyone happy from coronavirus and not make them sick, because if everyone be sick, they'll be sick all, and in the world there'll no be people. So about the school, and my name is Bisuzadhakal. So today I'm gonna introduce you to my school. So you don't know anything about my school, so I'm gonna tell you about my school. So I'll tell you. In my school there are my teachers, my head of department. My head of department is Miss Michaela. She teaches us many new things. Also my teachers to make crafts, some sheep. I made a awesome craft, so let's talk about that later. And my teacher's name is Miss Larissa, and my name is Bisuzadhakal from UAE.
And do you remember your principal's name?
Yes.
Okay, what is her name?
I forgot a little.
Mrs. Mistress.
Yes.
And do you remember your Arabic teacher and your teacher's assistant in the school class?
My Arabic teacher is Miss Iman. And my English teacher is Miss Larissa, the math teacher.
Oh.
And the craft teacher.
I see.
The exercise teacher is Miss Larissa also, because in my school there's an exercise place that we do exercise. Lots of exercise before we do our jobs that we used to do in our school. And we go in the exercise place. Miss Larissa teaches us how to do exercise, and we copy her, and we start what the things my Miss Larissa tells me to do, and we do exercise, stretching, touching, and lots of more. And me, I try to do things. I'm still little, but I'm growing up tall.
Wow.
So I'm almost KG2. So I'm getting tall. So I'm doing my video. So don't worry about me. I'll be okay. I can wear mask when I'm a big kid, but still now I'm little. But when Corona goes, we can have one invite and tasting to you, so you can come in my game, and my mom will be the judge. And let's talk about it later also, both of them. So my school's name is Brilliant International School. I already told you that in first. So
do you enjoy going to school?
Yes.
What are the things you have in school that you engage in?
Some cutting paper crafts and some sticking board where we stick all the pictures that we done on the olden days, crafts, paper crafts, lots of more ideas. And there are a book shelf that we pick books, and a board shelf that we draw and write. So that are the things that I do in my school. So goodbye everyone.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Who is she, princess?
My teacher.
What's your name?
Miss Larissa.
Can you explain about her?
She teaches us more and more memories. She teaches us ABC and numbers and shapes and the world and fruits, and we have bookshelves in my school, and blackboard that Miss Larissa writes chalks on it. That's some more memories. And this is me,
Who is she in the picture?
my teacher,
What's her name? Can you explain a little bit about her?
Miss Larissa.
Okay, and
she's my teacher. She teaches us more memories, and then I know what she says. And I raise my hand, and I'll answer the question. And
who is she? Who is she in the picture?
here,
Yeah.
she's my teacher.
What's her name? Can you a little bit talk about her?
Okay, she's my teacher, and she teaches us more memories. And this is me on the table sitting with my book. And this is my teacher saying that which country is this? And which shape is this? Which number is this? Which letter is this? Which fruit is this? So that we learn more and more things. And you'll see.
Yes.
And this is the blackboard that we draw more things, like we draw more, and she teaches us more and more memories. And I get that, and I answer with my hand, raising up my hand, and I put it down when I'm done. And all of my friends, they also answered the question, because they're also nice to me, because when I be a teacher, I wish I could teach kids so much, and I could tell them to make crafts, paper crafts, and lots more. I wish that I could be a teacher, but still I'm a kid, but I'm just wishing. So I'll be big, and I'll be my teacher.
Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone. So my name is Bisuzadhakal again. So I'm doing another restart video. So I'm doing this. So this is teacher's stool, and this is doctor's stool. You see, and this is eraser, blackboard, scale, book, markers, pencil sharpener, and the doctors, thermometer, stethoscope, medicine, bandage, doctor's hat. Those are the things that I collected from my drawings. You see, I'll bring it near so that you can all see.
What do you want to be in the future, doctor or teacher?
Doctors.
Why?
Also teachers, both. I want to be part doctor here, and I want to be teacher here, because I want to work more hard, and in my holiday, all day I can sleep.
You're going to be part-time teacher and part-time doctor both?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Bisuza back. So this is Lollipop Lady's sign that when we go to home is hard to walk, and the lady signs this. Walk with your parents. Never leave your parents. So as we say, I'm for today Lollipop Lady.
What do you do as a lollipop lady?
You sign like this. Stop, go, stop, go, like a policeman.
And whom do you show this picture to?
I saw it to my teacher.
Our teacher on the road?
I mean in my good morning's class. In my live. I have a tab ready to set. And my mom goes to the video, and I sit properly, and I craft with this. Cut a circle, another circle, okay, look. And sometimes I go with my parents. Some cars go everywhere, and I'll like this, and we can easily go.
So this is to show to the car, right? On the street. And you want to be a lollipop lady to help somebody, small kids?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much then.
Goodbye. Miss Larissa, so I'm writing teachers' things. So I'm writing Teacher. Or yes. And Larissa, today I'm doing teacher's stool and doctor's stool. So let's start. I already have done the book, so let's start some story that teacher read on us when we are going to home. Before we go to home, we read story books. And of course there is.
What types of tools are there?
There are teacher's tools and doctor's tool.
That first one?
This one?
Yes.
Book.
No, yes, first one.
Which one? Injection. Oh,
Yeah.
this one?
That side, yeah, that first one injection and second one.
And stethoscope.
And
Book and Miss Larissa, so I'm today doing doctor's tool this side and teacher's tool this side. So let's start. This is book. What else there are? That blackboards.
blackboard is teacher's tools or doctor's tool?
Teachers, because teachers write it. We need to write because we need to make kids very strong and healthy and talented. Most all of the class. So, blackboard. This is just Krishna chalk and the wiping thing, the eraser. And I'll do marker, yes. So Miss Larissa, this is for teacher's tool marker. Marker that teachers write. Oops, this is not right. Okay. Okay, wait. Done, that's all. Oh, there'll be doctor's hat, yes.
Doctor's hats which side?
Like this. They have some things, doctor's hat.
But doctor's hat this side.
Which side? This side? Oh, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me, Miss Larissa.
It's okay.
I'll write back there. Now it's all gone. Miss Larissa, you know what you need when you are thirsty? Water. So I'll draw water in the last. So, of course, doctor's hat. And like that. And like plus. And like little bit with red. Okay, I'll write with red this time. Oops, it broke. I can have another red if I want. Magics. Okay, no magics. Okay, there we go. It's finished. And it says so. This is book. So let's start. I have write some stories on it, so everyone will enjoy this book, the favorite book they like. So this is book, and I'll draw some down. So I'll color some items. This doctor's hat. The doctor's hat. The stool, doctor's hat. They wear when people are injured, so they know who they are. So this color, and what else? Their books would be a little bit pink. Little